we have an Ace 44mm padlock. There we go. You can see that, kind of. Any better? Yeah, there we go. Let's see. That's the bitting. Lock works. Law lock 1.2mm turning tool. That's monkey paw. Okay. Let's get this going here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2. Got to hear the dogs barking. 3, 4. If we get 5 set, we should drop into a false. Kind of. Oh, alright. Let's see, we got 1, 2. Let's go 1, 2, 3. And we drop 5, 4. There's our false set. Let's grab it. And 5. There it is. Move back to 1. Is it 1? It's 1. Yeah. Rotation. 1 set, deeper false. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Counter rotation on 3. Back situated better. There we go. Okay, 3. Right, that's 4. Hard to feel it. That's close in there. And 5. There we go. And it's open.